In the blue depths of the Aceh Ocean, between the dance of the sun and the eternal whisper of the waves, lives the trepang, a simple yet meaningful creature. Wingless, they roam the ocean floor. They are voiceless, yet they heal the wounds of the ecosystem. The trepang is a silent guardian, a symbol of balance and resilience, like the people who faithfully guard the earth on which they stand.
Partai Perjuangan Aceh, Gubernur 2030, menang, menang, menang!
Under the auspices of PPA Party, we not only see trepang as a marine product, but as an inspiration. We want to build a nation with local wisdom, with sustainability, with love for the land that gives life. Aceh is not just a homeland, it is a gift. And trepang is nature's silent message that true strength is often hidden in simplicity.